Hello guys, hello everybody. I'm back, okay? And I'm back with the fact that I have disappointed so many people because people don't know me like that. You know, a lot of people came to me, Tuno, you know, and I regret it. I regret it so much because of course I drink. It's not like I don't drink, but I drink. But I feel like that night I drank too much. Okay. I drank too much, and it's embarrassing to see myself in that situation where I'm cussing, mapuzo. I'm honestly not happy. I'm not happy at all, and I don't like it. And it's coming from a clear heart, a person who is regretting of what happened. Okay, and the fact that I disappointed my fans, the fact that I disappointed myself, and I disappointed my family, I do not like it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to ask for forgiveness from my fans, from you guys. I'm going to say sorry because, I don't like it. I'm not going to lie to you. But also you need to understand this part. After I got drunk, okay, I asked my friend, Kelvin is my good friend. I asked my friend, Kelvin, I want to watch the whole thing before you post it. Okay. I want to watch everything from beginning to end. I just want to see what I said, because there's some things I didn't mean. There's some things I don't even remember I said them because of alcohol and stuff. There's some things I don't even remember I did. In a night I was on YouTube, and I was surprised. I was really annoyed, and I was so disappointed, guys. You have no idea. And when I would because they liked it, but I honestly did not like it. So I'm going to play a VN, okay? I understand that's how they do their show. They don't edit or they don't allow a musician to watch, which is understandable on their side. But for me, guys, can I please watch it? Because so I need to see. And it was the next day. We shot this on Wednesday last week. Next day, can I watch it? He hesitated. So please, guys, I understand it was something so embarrassing, but it was not done intentional. Okay, it wasn't intentional. It was not done intentionally, because if I watched it, I'm sure I was not going to publish that. You understand? I was not going to news anyone. I was going to make sure that at least it's not in public. No one was going to know, apart from the videographers and him. No one was going to know. And the fact that it's on air and everyone knows I don't like it. About people, I don't like it, because I'm very good with people. And the fact that happened, it really disappointed me and my family. So I just had to come out. I just had to tell you guys how I feel about this. I just had to. I know, of course, I had things to say, but that's not how I wanted to say them. You need to understand that part. Yes, that was me on the video, but that was the drunk person who couldn't even remember anything the next day. Yeah. Look, and I want to sell my brand differently. That's okay. So I just don't want to be involved in drama. Okay, whatever I said that night, I was supposed to say it differently. I can't remember. That's the unfortunate part. I don't even know how I can remember. I don't know how much I said, and I want to hear exactly what I said before you post anything. Okay, because especially but especially that part only, because I feel this main friend Ivange. That's the main issue. I don't want to use them.